So hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I will show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi and the hotspot on the same time. So guys, I have the OnePlus 7 Pro which supports to turn on the Wi-Fi and the hotspot at the same time. So you can see that my Wi-Fi and the hotspot has been turned on at the same time, but I also have a Pixel phone which doesn't support this. So see, my hotspot is turned on, and if I try to turn on the Wi-Fi, see, my hotspot gets off. The same thing. So see, my Wi-Fi is on, so if I try to turn on the hotspot, see, my Wi-Fi gets off. So the Wi-Fi and hotspot is useful when you visit a hotel when you get only one device Wi-Fi access. So if you want to use it on your PC, then you can use this trick. Yes, you can also use USB debugging, but that's a different story. But in this scenario, we are just trying to use the hotspot and the Wi-Fi at the same time. And the OnePlus 7 Pro officially doesn't support this feature, but I have installed a custom ROM, that's why it is supporting this. So that's a different story, we will talk it in the another videos. But now let me show you how to use this feature on the Pixel phone. So let's begin. So to do so, you will have to download the app called the NetShare. You can also search in the Play Store or hit that link from the description box below. So just open the app. After opening the app, there are two options here, you can see that. So the first option is to start the Wi-Fi hotspot, and the second option is to configure. In the configure tab, you can see that it is showing me the network name and the network password. So here, if you want to change the network name, then you can change it. So I am changing it to ABC and 123. Okay, so here you can see that I have changed my network name to ABC 123, and the password I am not changing the password. Rest all settings let it be, don't change any settings. Okay, you can change this stay awake, so it will just turn your phone screen off. And yeah, so that's the setting you have to do on the phone, that you have to just use Wi-Fi and the hotspot at the same time. Now to connect this, now just click here on the start Wi-Fi hotspot. When you click on the start, you will see this type of tab. So just click here on the OK. After that, just allow the permission. So now you can see that my Wi-Fi has been here on, and here you can also see that NetShare hotspot. Okay, see, it's written NetShare hotspot. Okay, so now let's go to our phone. So here in this phone, you can see that I am using this phone to connect the Wi-Fi. So here I got a name and this. So I have just connected it recently, so it will not ask me the password. So if it asks the password, then you have to enter the password. So here it shows that it doesn't have internet connection, and here it is also showing that the connected device can't provide internet. Okay, so now to solve this, what you have to do is you have to just go to the settings icon next behind the name. After that, go on the top of the network details and just click on the pencil icon. After that, just go to the advanced option. After that, just go to the proxy and click here on the manual. Now here you can see that it is asking the proxy host name and proxy port. So what I have to write in this proxy host name? See, you can see here the address and the port of the proxy on your page where you try to turn on the hotspot. Okay, you have to just enter that details here. So I'm entering the details. Before entering the details, let me show you that my internet is not working. So I am just going to speed test. See, the site can't be reached because the internet is not working. So now just I am entering the proxy and will show you again. And guys, proxy and port depends on all the Wi-Fi devices, and according to the Wi-Fi host port and their device host port. So now let's go and connect it. So I'm just saving the information. It will take some time, so I'm turning off the hotspot of this phone. So it took some time. Thus now just do one thing, just turn off the Wi-Fi, turn it on again, and just click here. So after that, you can see that my Wi-Fi has been connected and that device can't provide the internet has been gone. Okay, so Now what you have to do is I'm just going to the speed test again and see. Wait a second. See, my internet speed test page has been loaded successfully. Now I just have to run the speed test and will show you how to just see. So I'm just clicking and see my device has been connected to direct NS ABC123, which hotspot has been started from this device. This is the Pixel which doesn't support that Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time, but now you can see that it supports the Wi-Fi and the hotspot at the same time. See, my Wi-Fi has been turned on this Pixel, and I am also using the hotspot created by the app, and you can see that my data has been loaded. So let me show you by starting some YouTube video. See, a YouTube video is also playing on the same Wi-Fi network, and now you can see you can also play it and the full HD quality because it supports the maximum speed that your Wi-Fi has. So this is the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. So thank you for watching. Bye.